Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions. Check the file's owner and whether it's marked read-only at the OS level. Open your project folder in VS Code now, not just a single file. Once opened, inspect the Explorer pane for lock or read-only indicators. If a folder is on a network drive or sync service, make sure syncing is paused. You do this because VS Code reflects underlying file system restrictions. Fixing the source permission prevents repeated read-only behavior. Next, in VS Code, use the command palette and try file, save as to force a writable save location or reopen with, to switch editor mode. Right-click the File tab and look for Enable Editing or similar. Click it when available. If that fails, adjust OS-level permissions. On Mac OS/Linux, run chmod or chown, and on Windows, change Properties Attributes or Security to grant write access. Make sure to restart VS Code after permission changes so the editor rereads file flags. Finish by checking workspace level settings and installed extensions that might lock files, such as remote development or sync tools. Disable them momentarily. Close and reopen the workspace or run developer. Reload window so VS Code refreshes file states. If files remain read-only, check version control locks or LFS and inspect the file system for errors or network share restrictions. One key troubleshooting tip: if changes don't persist after editing, verify your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.